Hey guys, Mr. Tewksbury here again. Another update. Seems like these videos are being helpful. A lot of you are watching them and responding, and it seems like a good way to communicate. So I'm going to try to do it more often. I sent you one right before we left for Thanksgiving break to let you know what we had been doing. I did not want to leave Thanksgiving break with an SBA, with a test over what we had learned. I was afraid there would be some students that were absent due to travel. To be honest, I wasn't 100% sure that everybody was going to be all in on Tuesday, so we decided to do it after we came back. Miss Barovi and I, the other science teacher, decided to do it when we came back. So today we spent the entire day reviewing for the test. I printed out a copy of the pre-assessment that they took at the beginning of this module, and they worked on it themselves for a few minutes, and then we worked on it with their table groups to just try to talk about why each one of them might have gotten different answers and what that meant. And then at the end, I shared with them what the correct answers were. So that was the plan for today. It happened in 3 out of my 4 classes. In one of my classes, it did not happen. They never did kind of come around. They had their time to work on it by themselves. They do have the copy of the tests, but we never made it to the portion of class where I gave them the correct answers, where I gave them the end and we talked about it, due to the fact that they struggled to kind of get it together today, that one class. My other classes did pretty well. So they should have a copy of that to study tonight. The SBA is tomorrow. It's on Tuesday. Today is Monday. It's 3:40 right now while I'm recording this, and as soon as I'm done, I'm going to uplink it and I'm going to upload it into YouTube and send you a link via email. So you should be getting that shortly. And whenever you have a chance to see this, this would be a great time to talk to your student about the fact that they have a test tomorrow. Let's hit it hard tonight. Let's look at that pre-assessment. The questions are going to look very similar to that on the SBA. So just want to try to give you a heads up, something that you could do, this evening. If you get this email in time to be successful for tomorrow, I'll try to give you some more warning in the future. I just thought about this a few minutes ago, and for those of you who were going to check your email, I was trying to give you a heads up. I'm going to try to do this with more advanced warning in the future, but I'm still working through what this process looks like. So I hope this message finds you well. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. We've got about 15 days left of school, 14 now, I guess that today's over, before we're off for the holidays. So we're going to work hard. We're really going to kill it over the next 3 weeks. So there should be a lot happening. We'll hopefully send a few more of these over the next few weeks to let you know what's going on. And if you have any questions, like I said, please reach out. Don't ever hesitate to call me. I love your student. I love being here at Vine. I'm really glad that this is where you sent your student, and hopefully we can help get them where they need to be. So if you have any questions, reach out, and I will talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.